welcome to Dental Profit Machine Group. My name is Zara Basiri. I'm the founder of Dental Profit Machine, and this group is for dental practice owners, dental coaches, dental institutions that educate dentists in different areas of their business or dentistry. This group is vetted, so our team will go through the profile of every member that requests to join to make sure it is going to be valuable to the community. We add value to the community, or they can get value from our group. Just to break down a bit more about who I am, what I've done, and what's my background, why I'm in dental industry since 2016. Because I was so passionate about dentistry, I tried to get into dental school 3 times, very close every single time, couldn't make it, unfortunately. Like second last to be able to make it, I couldn't. But I didn't stop there. What I did, I also love technology, so I started in business. So I started my digital marketing business, which dealing with the latest innovations, technology, digital assets, and things like that, and still stick to helping dentists. And I love dentistry so much that I actually became dental nurse for 4+ years, and or dental assistant, and towards the end, pretty much treatment plan coordinator and selling treatment plans. And I absolutely love the business side of the dentistry, plus patient interaction, seeing thousands of patients per month. That was absolutely amazing, 4+ years. So I come from a background of dental assisting, being in dental industry, plus a passion for both dentistry and technology. So that'll be like 6-7 years now, since 2016. So that's a little bit about me, and that's my story. Just to say who can benefit from this group and our trainings and overall, engaging with our community is from new or startup dental practice owners who are just opening their business and they don't know where to start, and just to get all these tips so they can start from a better place rather than spending hundreds of thousands of dollars and years and making mistakes doing tests and trials. Instead, they can benefit from our experience, from our clients' experience in case studies, to be a few years or many years ahead, rather than testing it on their own. So that would be beneficial for startups or new dental practices that have been open for a couple of years or under 3 years only, or established dental practices that have been doing their certain way, have tried different marketing strategies or business growth strategies, and now they're after new ways of updating their system, their business, and they want to add new ways of patient generation or patient retention or running business overall. We love technology and innovation here at Dental Profit Machine, and always would like to keep on top of it. The most recent one is AI, which is fascinating if you use it the right way. It's very powerful and it speeds up your progress big time. So established dental practices can benefit from this group and our trainings, our videos this way. And for seasoned dental practices that have been around forever and things like that, and they just want to update their business, or again add new ways of promoting their business, or make their branding, even just the branding that comes with growth as well afterwards. This is also suitable for seasoned dental practices. All right, for dental coaches, you're welcome to join as well. For dental institutions that can train other aspects of dental practice ownership, such as increasing case acceptance rate, front desk training, staff hiring, recruiting, and things like that. There are so many different aspects of dental practice, which is interesting, and I have been dental nurse and been there. I have direct experience seeing those things and dealing with those things, and I would be able to share some of my experience and knowledge in that area, especially front desk, dental assisting, and increasing patient retention, patient reactivation, increasing patient rebooking or booking their next treatments, selling treatments, and things like that in a helpful way to help the patient to move on to the next step of their treatment plan. Sometimes they don't have clarity, they don't know what the next step is. That's why they don't book. So it makes a huge difference if you know how to take the patient on their journey in order to take them to the next step. And it's a win-win. Patient gets to get their oral health looked after, you will get your business moving to the next level, and so on, and get more loyal patients that way because you're helping them. Anyways, I'm so passionate about dentistry that I can go on and on and on and talk here for the whole day about dentistry and technology for you. I have to stop myself, and welcome to the group again. Let's do this. In this group, I'm going to be more active again. Every now and then we get so busy with our projects and clients, premium clients that we have, which we're grateful for, but then we optimize the system, make the team ready so they take care of everything, so I can get some time to come back here to add more value, because since last year I have a lot to share, and I can't wait to shoot these mini actionable videos, because everyone is busy these days. Life is very busy, we completely get that, especially dentistry is very busy. To shoot these mini actionable videos that are important, are my findings from working with premium clients, and sharing it so you can take it away and implement it. It's a quick one thing at a time, and enjoy the results. And they're free. We're going to be sharing it in this group. They're free. So I can't wait to do that. Well, and I'm so excited, and I like to welcome you to the group for being able to get in to this community and have access to our free trainings that we actually do for our clients. We implement them for our own clients. So we actually walk the talk. It's not just talk the talk. So I'm just sharing things that I have personally done, and the outcome of it, what we have found out about it. Anyways, so excited. Welcome again, and try to engage. Don't be shy. I mean, recording a video is not my bread and butter either, but I'll do it because that's how I can get in touch and connect with dental community, which I love. Dentistry, that's why I'm here. And feel free to ask questions if you have a knowledge that you think is going to move the needle for other dental colleagues or in dental industry. Please share, and our team will review your post, and if it's aligned with our values, if it's helpful to the community, we will approve it, and everyone else would enjoy using it. But again, using the material and contents and trainings in this group, you have full responsibility to make sure it follows the rules in your country of destination. You don't know which country you're in. Every country, every state has their own rules. You also got to make sure it's suitable for your business, because you know your business the best. Anyways, I'm so passionate about dentistry that I can go on and on and on and talk here for the whole day about dentistry and technology for you. I have to stop myself, and welcome to the group again. Enjoy the trainings, and we'll be seeing you around. Thank you.